Welcome to ST Brainwave, your trusted platform for exam-focused learning. Let's begin your smart learning journey right now. Last 6 month current affairs. First question: which country conducted the Drone Prahar exercise to test drone technologies in combat zone? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, India. Next question: who launched the Global Specs 2030 initiative? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, WHO, World Health Organization. Next question: who has established the COP33 cell to host the 2028 UN Climate Summit? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, India. Next question: who inaugurated the Handloom Conclave Marathon? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Giriraj Singh. Next question: how many children were awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, 17. Next question: who has been appointed as the first woman vice chancellor of IGNOU? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Uma Kanjilal. Next question: how many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, 7. Next question: Jitendra Pal Singh has recently been appointed as India's new ambassador to which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Israel. Next question: where was the UTT 86 Senior National and Interstate Table Championship 2026 held? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Surat. Next question: when was World Leprosy Day celebrated? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, 26 January. Next question: who has been elected as the president of Belarus? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Alexander Lukashenko. Next question: which organization has launched the Enhanced Certificate of Origin ECOO 2.0 system? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, DGFT, Directorate General of Foreign Trade. Next question: which organization approved the second living drug Quatemi for treating blood cancer? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, CDSCO. Next question: in which of the following states the world's largest data center will be built? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Gujarat. Next question: who among the following has been appointed as the director of the Liquid Propulsion System Center of ISRO? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, M. Mohan. Next question: who has been awarded the ICC Men's Test Cricket of the Year 2024? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Next question: who among the following has been the men's singles title in the recently held Australian Open 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Jannik Sinner. Next question: how many people have been announced to given the Padma Award by the Government of India in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, 139. Next question: which bank becomes the first Indian bank to implement Clarif's NCRP integration solution? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Punjab National Bank. Next question: Polavaram multi-purpose project which has been in the news is located in this state? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Next question: Rani Durgavati Tiger Reserve in located in which state? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Next question: Pangsau Pass which was seen in the news lies between which two countries? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, India and Myanmar. Next question. India hosted the second BIM Tech expert group meeting on cyber security cooperation in which city? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, New Delhi. Next question. Who was recently appointed as the brand ambassador of FICCI Frames? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Ayushman Khurrana. Next question. Which country will host the Chess World Cup 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, India. Next question. Which ministry of the government of India is responsible for the Kalagram for Mahakumbh 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Ministry of Culture. Which country does Prime Minister Ilja Amato watch, who recently announced her resignation, belong to? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Sao Tome and Principe. Next question. Which day is observed as the International Day of Education every year? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, 24 January. Next question. Which Indian Navy ship conducted the hydrographic survey of Mauritius recently? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, INS Sarvekshak. Next question. The United States jointly develops National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System with which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Norway. Next question. What is Australopithecus that was recently seen in the news? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A genus of extinct primates. Next question. Which was the following the first Earn Rupee credit card is seamlessly integrated? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, UPI. Next question. IDFC First Bank has partnered with whom to launch the first Earn credit card? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Rupee card. Next question. What is Sanjay recently seen in the news? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Battlefield Surveillance System. Next question. The Dhanori wetland recently seen in the news is located in? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which state is at the top of Fiscal Health Index Report 2025 recently released by Niti Aayog? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Odisha. Next question. Typhoon missile system was developed by which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, United States. Next question. Who inaugurated the All India campaign Our Constitution, Our Respect? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Vice President Jagdeep Dhangar. Next question. Which player won the ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year award? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Surya Kumar Yadav. Next question. Recently, Russian President Putin signed a new comprehensive strategic partnership agreement with which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Iran. Next question. Karpuri Thakur will be honored with Bharat Ratna. He was the former Chief Minister of his state. Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Bihar. Next question. Mount Ibu, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Indonesia. Next question. Which German company along with its Indian partner cleared field trials for submarines for Indian Navy? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Tyson Krupp. Next question. In which state did the army launch 2 new Bailey bridges on the Shyok River? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Ladakh. Next question. What is the name of India's first indigenous micro-missile system designed to counter swarm drones? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Agni. Next question. Which day is observed as Kok Borok Day in Tripura? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, 19 January. Next question. What is the theme of the Tri-Service Tableau being showcased during the 76th Republic Day Parade in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Sashakt और सुरक्षित भारत. Next question. M Janman scheme which was seen in the news is associated with which category of people? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, non-resident Indians. Next question. Recently, which country has pulled out the Paris Climate Agreement? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, USA. Next question. Which three states were granted full statehood on January 21, 1972? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya. Next question. Which city is set to host the 2026 Asian Games? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Nagoya. Next question. What is the name of the first indigenous advanced light helicopter developed by HAL? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Prachand. Next question. Which Indian state has launched the Mukhyamantri Medhavi Vidyarthi Yojana? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Haryana. Next question. Who became the first Indian woman to win the World Games gold medal in squash? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Sunaina Kuruvilla. Next question. Which country launched the Lunar Pathfinder mission to explore the moon's south pole? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, UK. Next question. What is the theme of the International Day of Yoga 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Yoga for Climate Action. Next question. The global headquarters of 5G Open Innovation Lab is located in which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, USA. Next question. Which Indian cricketer received the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy of ICC Cricket of the year 2024? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Rohit Sharma. Next question. Who was the winner of the 2025 Booker Prize? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Avni Doshi. Next question. Which Indian city hosted the 2025 G20 Environment Working Group EWG meeting? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, New Delhi. Next question. Which company launched the world's first sustainable denim fabric made from algae? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Levi. Next question. The Operation Ganga was launched by India for the evacuation of Indians from which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Ukraine. Next question. The Hyderabad Metro Rail is the dash longest metro network in the India as of 2025. Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, fifth. Next question. Who is the author of the book India 2047, The New Quantum Leap? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Nandan Nilekani. Next question. In 2025, which country became a member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Iran. Next question. Which institution launched the world's first smart roads project in India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, IIT Madras. Next question. The world's first hydrogen powered train was launched by which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Japan. Next question. Who has been appointed as chairperson of the National Commission for Women NCW in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Sushmita Dev. Next question. Which Indian state launched the Startup Odisha mission to promote entrepreneurship? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Odisha. Next question, which festival was included in UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Chow dance. Next question, the Zero Defect Zero Effect campaign is associated with which Indian ministry? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Next question, which country introduced a universal basic income scheme in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Finland. Next question, India became the dash largest economy in the world according to IMF projections 2025. Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, fourth. Next question, who is the author of the Great Dearrangement, Climate Change and the Unthinkable? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Amitav Ghosh. Next question, International Day of the Girl Child is observed on dash day every year. Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, October 11. Next question, Project India aims to digitize which sector completely? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Agriculture. Next question, who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, World Health Organization WHO. Next question, which country launched the Artemis 4 mission on to the moon? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, USA. Next question, in 2025 India signed a free trade agreement with which country? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Australia. Next question, which wildlife sanctuary in India became a biosphere reserve in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Rajaji National Park. Next question, the Missile Sagar initiative of India is associated with which sector? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Maritime Security and Assistance. Next question, new species of frog named Nyctibacterosus minimus was discovered in which Indian state? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Karnataka. Next question, which Indian city has been ranked as the most livable city in India 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Chandigarh. Next question, India has been ranked what in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, 7th. Next question, which tech giant announced the launch of world's first quantum internet network? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Microsoft. Next question, which Indian badminton player won the 2025 All England Championship? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Lakshya Sen. Next question, what is the theme of the World Water Day 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, valuing water. Next question, India signed the Chennai Declaration Peace Agreement with which country insurgent group? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Myanmar. Next question, which Indian classical dance form was inscribed on UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, Mohiniyattam. Next question, who topped the Forbes list of world's most powerful women in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Kamala Harris. Next question, which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Bangalore. Next question, India launched mission Indradhanush 3.0 targeting immunization of children in how many states? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, 8. Next question, who is the chairperson of the National Statistical Commission of India as of 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Ramesh Chand. Next question, which country is the largest exporter of coffee globally as of 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Brazil. Next question. The International Day of Forest is observed on. Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, March 21. Next question. Which Indian film won the Best Picture at the Oscars 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, The Kashmir Files. Next question. Which city will host the 2026 Commonwealth Game? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B, Victoria. Next question. Recently, India signed a defense cooperation agreement with which country to strengthen ties in the Indo-Pacific? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option D, USA. Next question. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Antyodaya Awas Yojana? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who became the first woman chief of the Indian Air Force in 2025? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A, Air Marshal Sujata Arora. That's it for today's quiz. If you like the video, do like it and share it with others. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, keep learning with ST Brainwave.